like the morale officer himself right now. Yes. Great use for that Magnum Sharpie. That would be too much. That would be way too much. Maybe like one dot on the tip of his nose. Just one dot.
It looks like he's about to have a heart attack.
He's moving around. I know, he's moving.